just to abstract a proton from an alcohol. Let's say alcohol dehydrogenase, maybe taking a hydroxyl group from an alcohol which you glug glug glug. You can see. These are all sound effects. I do a lot of sound effects. I cannot demo it because you're all mature people. In the class it will work. I use a lot of sound effects for introducing strain in organic compounds. It's added sound effect to illustration of strain when an open chain 3-carbon system, that is a propane, I don't even count C1, C2, C3. I will count methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane because that's my language. So methane, ethane, propane, so 3-carbon system, open chain, strain-free system. When I combine them to form a cyclic cyclopropane, strain is introduced with sound effect. What is that sound effect? I will ask the class to make this sound. The more strain, more depth of. So when I form the triangular cyclopropane, the voice will be at its peak. So these are all different modes of engagement. It has nothing to do with strain, but every participant is, contributing something to the activity which is being undertaken, is to introduce that strained compounds. Strained compounds compared to its open chain analog, that is a 3-carbon system. I cannot demo it here because this model is not good for making cyclic version. This is propane 3-carbon system. So when I connect these 2 carbons, I form a cyclopropane which has a lot of internal strain. And that internal strain, the act of converting into a strain system, that is with a sound effect. That sound effect